In this quick video, we're going to learn how to export or save your edited videos from CapCut to your photo gallery, and this will work on both iPhone and Android devices. I'm going to open my CapCut editing app, and then I'll quickly edit a video, which I will then save to my photo gallery. So my edit is done, and it's now time to save it to the photo gallery. You will see two different buttons at the top right corner of the screen. And if we click on this 1080p option, it's going to show us a menu where we can select the resolution of our video, the frame rate, and the bit rate. The higher you set these values, the better and higher quality your video is going to look. After you set this, you want to click on the export option at the right. Or, if you have an older version of CapCut, you may see an arrow, and that's what you want to click on. So click on either the little arrow or the export button, and then your video will start saving to the gallery. But what if you click on the export button and you get this message over your screen that's preventing you to save your video? Well, that means that you used either a font, animation, transition, or other element, but you've selected a Pro element, which is only available for CapCut Pro users. So in order for us to fix that and save our video in the gallery for free, we will have to remove that Pro element, which we had selected. And in my case, it's this animation. I can either select a different animation, which doesn't have the Pro label, or I can remove that element completely. So when I don't have any Pro elements in my video edit, I can tap on the export option, and the video will be saved to my camera roll without any issues. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.